These days, you need to find out wherever you can save money. And one of those ways you could save money is repairing the easy stuff yourself and not taking it to expensive mechanics or dealerships. Here we have a broken key for a Honda. And as you can see, the top is broken off, and I can show you how easy it is to fix this yourself. You're going to order a kit from Amazon, which is right here. I'll put the link to this kit in the video details. Here are the instructions. Now this kit comes with everything you need. The screw, the clamshell, which is this right here, a screwdriver, and instructions. We'll go ahead and turn this around right there, and I've gone ahead and covered it up with tape for security reasons. We're going to go ahead and place this screwdriver right there and begin to unscrew that screw there. As you can see there, the screws come out. Now, this plastic will have a little opening right there where you can go ahead and pry with your nails or a small screwdriver and open it right up. Okay, that's the two sections of the clamshell. Again, the battery is covered for security reasons because that's not just the battery, it's also the board. We're going to go ahead and take the board out. This board separates to replace the battery. The internal battery is in here, but we're not replacing the battery now. We're replacing the clamshell. Here's the clamshell. Now this key is on a third piece right there. You're going to go ahead and just put some pressure on there and see if we can't get it out. It may give you some trouble. And there you go. The key is out. We're going to take the new clamshell and open it right up. Just like that. It comes with the third piece there that looks kind of like a hammer. As you can see, it's got an arrow there showing you that this key needs to go in just like that. It's going to take a little bit of strength there. And what you want to see is that hole go through. You can see it like a needle eye. Now on this portion of the clamshell that looks just like this, we're going to put this key in here, and it needs to slide that way when facing this way. You'll know that it can slide in because of the tabs. See the tabs right there? You'll play with it and it'll slide in just like that. See? Won't fall out. Now we take the top portion of the clamshell with the panic button facing upward. We'll go ahead and put the board and battery together that way. And now we can just put it together and snap it as one piece. Snap it all together, and now your key is all one. We need to go ahead and put that screw in. The included screwdriver is right there. Now you're going to go ahead and start screwing, and you're going to start feeling the threads getting cut by the screw. And you don't need a lot of strength. You just do it hand tight. It's just plastic on plastic and a little bit of metal from the screw cutting those threads. So don't go crazy. Don't strip it. And there you go. The key has a new housing, a new clamshell, and should last us another, hopefully, 10 years.